And so this is a puzzle mat. It is 46 by 26 inches, and it can hold up to a 1,500 piece puzzle. Not much to show you around it. Basically, you're able to spread out your puzzle, fully inflate the tube, and then just roll it up, and your puzzle should be all together when you go to roll it back out. So we're gonna put a puzzle on this mat, and then we're gonna roll it up and see if it actually works. Let's get started on this. This was not sent to us for free. We did get this ourselves. So we've laid out the puzzle on our puzzle mat, and now we'll blow up the little inflatable thing and roll this up and see how it works. All right, so we have our strap all blowed up and ready to go. We're gonna roll up this puzzle and cross our fingers.
You hear it just crinkling.
All right, we'll put the band on it, and then we'll see if it looks like this when we roll it back out. There's actually two bands. Wow. One strap is on, and the second strap is on. All right, now we'll roll it back out in a moment and see if it looks the same or if she's destroyed all of her hard work on this 1,000-piece puzzle. All right, let's see what happens. Dun 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 dun. I guess start it out here. All right, let's see what it does. Wow. Look
Oh
at
my
that.
gosh!
It worked.
It did!
That is pretty darn amazing. So there you go. Puzzle mat, 2 big thumbs up. Works great.
Yeah.
Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.